think most importantly, you're going to be able to work with people who genuinely care about your business success. And that mentality starts at the top with project management, but it also stands out with the engineers. They choose the harder rights instead of the easier wrong, regardless of whether or not anybody will see the outcomes. And ultimately that leads to higher quality software. My name is Kenneth Huebsch. I am the Director of Software Engineering at Qrypt. Qrypt is an early stage startup that is trying to solve the problem of what do you do when quantum computers break today's cryptography. So it's a very theoretical, undefined problem. We know it's coming. The industry knows it's coming, but nobody knows exactly how to solve the problem yet. So we are one of, I would say, a growing field of deep tech companies in the cybersecurity space trying to figure out how to protect from a future threat. As the leader of the software engineering organization, I need to put together teams that can deliver quickly today and tomorrow, and I don't know what tomorrow looks like. So I think that DECODE has helped me achieve all of these. Their ability to provide a diverse range of quality talent has increased the speed at which we can ramp up teams and deliver value. And then their flexibility in, after we learn something from the delivery of a new product line, either leaving the engineering assets on long-term or rotating them off for the next set of talent that we need. That kind of flexibility has been very important, helping us achieve our business goals and me achieving my own engineering goals. Qrypt prides ourselves in using modern tools and technologies as well as processes. When we were very young, we were essentially like a research and development shop, and DECODE actually helped us lay the foundations for those modern best practices in terms of process. So we learned from DECODE. For example, we learned from DECODE how to shift testing left as far as possible and how to leverage automated tests, technologies, and CI/CD technologies and DevOps processes into our overall software development process. So we've got into that groove, and one of the things that makes me feel very comfortable in this relationship is that I know DECODE, either project management or engineers, will come back and say, hey, we don't know what we're supposed to do here, instead of just wasting time. We have a nice, candid relationship. Also, by giving them high-level requirements, there's this expectation that they're going to learn things, they're going to identify risks, they're going to uncover things in their detailed design and their implementation that weren't expected. And I have that confidence that they'll come back to me and say, hey, we didn't expect this, we found it, these are the potential risks associated, here's what we think is a solution, and then we'll work together for that. Short answer, yes, I would. So the contractor model, I don't think is always the best fit for everyone, but if it is an appropriate fit for a company out there, then I absolutely recommend DECODE. You're gonna get that element of technical ownership and professionalism that I'm just not used to seeing in contracting relationships. You'll get a diverse talent pool, and they have most of what you need in-house. And if they don't, they'll find you what you need, whether it's by hiring new engineers internally or helping you find other resources within their network. So no matter what, you'll be able to get what you need.